Hi guys, in today's video I am going to tell you the best way to perform the distraction test. This is physical therapist Danish Atiq and you are watching Physio Guide. Let's get started. Distraction test is used in those patients who have history of radicular pain or show the radicular symptom during the examination process. The test will be considered as positive if the patient's symptoms are relieved during their test. According to researchers, the cervical distraction test has a sensitivity of 44% and a specificity ranging from 90 to 97%. The link is given in the description. The best way to perform the cervical distraction test is to approach the patient from its side. आप पेशेंट को उसकी साइड से अप्रोच करेंगे. Place your one hand below the occiput of the patient and the place other hand below the chin. आप पेशेंट के occiput और chin से उसके जो head है उसको होल्ड करेंगे. Now lift the head slightly. आप slightly head lift करेंगे and then relax. The test will be classified as positive if the patient's symptoms are relieved or decreased. This test is also used to check the radicular sign radiating toward the shoulder complex anteriorly and posteriorly. I hope you get the right way to perform the cervical distraction test. I hope you liked my video, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share the channel. See you in another video. Bye.